Are you curious about whether YouTube TV has a rewind feature? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and show you how you can rewind live TV or recorded content on YouTube TV. If you've ever missed something during a live broadcast or want to revisit a moment, this is the video for you. Yes, YouTube TV does allow you to rewind live TV, but there are some limitations depending on the situation. When watching live channels, you can pause or rewind up to 15 seconds by default using the progress bar at the bottom of the screen. This is perfect for quickly catching something you missed or skipping back to replay an exciting moment. However, if you're using YouTube TV's DVR feature, you can rewind, fast forward, or pause any recorded program just like you would with a traditional DVR system. Recorded shows remain available for up to 9 months, giving you plenty of time to watch or re-watch your favorite content. Keep in mind that not all live sports or events may allow rewinding due to broadcasting restrictions. But for most regular programming, YouTube TV gives you the flexibility to control your viewing experience. If this video helped you understand how to rewind on YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.